Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can fetch data from a server by using HTTP protocol. So for that, we will use a fetch library, that is promise based library in JavaScript or in React also, to handle such kind of get request. So for that, in app component I use this fetch data, and this component is empty. I'm trying to use this, so I am say imrc then cc for creating a component and give the name to fetch data. Now I need to create this state. Here I say data, or we can say users, and here I create array. Why I'm creating this array? You see that I have this get request from GitHub, and this request have here array, then all are objects. So that's why I'm creating an array, and I'm copying this URL that I'm going to use in fetch library. In React, for fetching a data, we have a very good method, that is component did mount. So in this method we are going to use fetch library to fetch data. It's a very simple. So we say fetch, and here we pass the data, the URL, the get request. Then because it's a promise based library, so we have then, and we have catch also. So if we have an error, then we will have error in this catch block, and that we will handle here, and we just display console.log, and we can pass error like this. Save it. Now here, if the data we have a response as a arrow function. Under this response, what we have a response.json function, and then we have again promise for this. If we have a data, so where we will have the data here, so that we will read in a data form, data, and we have again this promise. Here we have to change the state, so we say this dot set state. Under this set state, we need to update users to data. Remember, so all these users we just replace with data, because the all data this is available here, that will go to the array. So we pass here. So now we have the data in this empty array. This data, remember, if we do not have a data, we will have error. If we have a data, then we will have data here. We pass this here. Now what we do, we are going to render it here. For rendering this, first of all I use div tag. Under this div tag, we are going to use bootstrap for table. So best to use here, just go to Google and type here bootstrap. Here, open this website. Here go to documentation, search for table, and here we have this data. So just I copy, first of all I copy this head portion, copy this. Under this div tag I just paste this for header purpose, and I close this table like this, and in place of this, here I can say table success for class color, and here I pass your user ID as a column name. I say user name, and here I say user photo. and I remove this because I don't need this. Now save it and try to see the information in this React application. We have user ID, then we have name and photo. So we have a photo like this. Now I need to create a body, so I say t body. Here under this body we are going to perform some more operations. So go to bootstrap, and here I will use for body purpose I need some more style and line. So what I do, I say this class for body, so I say copy, and here for body purpose I say class, and this class I need to change to class name because it's a React like this. It's a bootstrap class. Here I need some code, so that code I will repeat, but for that I need first of all the expression tag. Here under this expression tag I use this dot state dot users dot map. In this map, remember, save it. Under this map I need to pass user as a arrow function. In this I say return, and here I say this return, and I close this, and here I need a div tag. For in place of div tag, here I can use tr because it's a row that I need to display. Under this row I need th, and I say scope of this should be row like this, and here I will display user dot id, remember. And not only that, in this row I will use key also for React, and I say user dot id for unique rendering of list. Then I copy it again and I paste it, and here I say it's a user, here I say it's a user login. Now I say third one, and in third one under this user ID I say it's a image src. Under this image we have the image URL user dot avatar underscore URL. Then we have alt for alternate text which we want to display, pick not found. Then for this we need width equal to 100%, 100 pixel, then height equal to 100 pixel like this, and I save it. So what we have here, the problem image we have, and we need to close this image also. Image tag I need to close. You see we have closed the image tag and we have given all the information, and now we try to see the information is available. You see we have this one, but information is not coming. So what is the mistake? So we need to check it. We have user for map, individual user we have. So first of all I need to display console that information is available or not. So I say this dot state dot users that I want to display, and I want to check that the data is available or not. So if we have a console, so we do not have right now data. Fetch then is not a JSON function. Okay, response. So we have some mistake, I think. We have here response, response, response we have, then response.json, because this is a function, so I need to make it function, and that is the mistake. Then the data will come, and we see the data is coming. We have array also, so just close it, and you see the data is available right now. All data is coming from this, and here we can change this header also. For that, what we have to do, we have to call this header head as a class name, and here I need to pass table warning, and if you see the header color will change. You see the color is changed. Done. So we have this table. We can put this in the center of the screen also. For that, we can use style at the row style, and we can pass here vertical alignment to the middle, because we have top, bottom and middle here, and you see we have in the middle. So like this way we can fetch information. In React we can create table also, and this information we are fetching with the help of fetch function. Remember this, very simple coding and simple way of explanation also. That's all in this video. If you learn anything from this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.